Hello. You would like to create a website, but you don't know how to do that? Well, you can use a free content management system, like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal or any other, to create a website in just a few clicks. But you say to yourself, no, anyway, I would like to know how to do it myself, from scratch. If so, that's great. You are in the right place. Because in this course intended for beginners, you will learn HTML5 and CSS3, the two technologies of base behind all websites. In this course, we will go step by step. You will learn in an easy and fun way, starting from scratch, without any prior knowledge requirements. By the end of this course, you will be able to use HTML5 code, structure a web page in HTML5, use CSS code, format a web page in CSS, organize the elements of a web page using CSS, modify the layout of an HTML page with CSS, integrate formulas into a web page, adapt a page for small resolutions in CSS, and much more. In short, you will learn everything that is needed to create a real website. Finally, after learning the basics, and gaining the necessary knowledge, we will work on a real project to create a professional and responsive website for all devices from scratch, using the knowledge that you will gain during the course. And we will discover useful tricks and advanced techniques. So, if you want to be a real website builder, enroll in this course and let's get started.